Hello friends, I am Meet. I am pursuing a data science and business analytics internship at the Sparks Foundation, and the task this is the task 5 of my internship program, that is performing exploratory data analysis on the Indian Premier League dataset. So the objective of this is to suggest players for a company so that it can endorse for its product and most successful teams, and to find out who were the most successful teams and players. So here's the code for it. uh, Here's a small website which I made for all the Sparks Foundation tasks which I have done during my internship till now. So these are the task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, task 5 and task 6. So this is my task, the task 5, that is I have to perform exploratory data analysis on the sports analysis on the IPL dataset. So here there are two phases which I did. This task is divided into two phases. One is the batsman's analysis and one is the bowler and fielder analysis. So I'll be taking up bowler and fielder analysis now. So here is the top bowlers and top fielders analysis. So first things first, we have to import all the necessary libraries. After importing all the libraries, then we just then we see the data by importing the delivery CSV and max delivery CSV. So and then I will select the data, the team wise, the most consistent teams with Sunday Super Kings, Delhi and all. Then afterwards I will make some visualizations, or I will group the data accordingly. And then this line of code will say me this line of code will give me the top 5 performing bowlers of every team. This get map function will give me, or will return me, this data frame which returns the top 5 performing bowlers of each team. Then it's the time for visualization. After getting the data, after extracting the valuable information from this whole data of only the top performing bowlers of each team, now it's time to visualize it. So here is a small visualization. This is a bar polar visualization. It's a very good visualization for uh, finding out which who are the top performing bowlers and what is the area of it. So here we see for Chennai Super Kings, we can observe that Dwayne Bravo has taken 114 wickets for Chennai, Ashwin has taken 94, Jadeja 84, Morkel 80 and Mohit Sharma 59. Now well, one thing to note that this data is up from 2008 to 2018, not till 2019 or not till 2020, because this is only till 2018, from 2008 to 2018, 10 seasons. Okay. Then in MI we have Malinga, who has taken 181 wickets, and that's a very big number. Harbhajan Singh is 132, Bumrah as 85, and McLagan as 73. So from RCB we see Vinay Kumar, Yuzvendra Chahal 101, Zahir Khan 54, Arvind 47. Kolkata Knight Riders, everyone expected it's going to be Narines, and it's Narine and 113. For Rajasthan Royals, and the Rajasthan Royals had almost different kinds of players every season who were taking top wickets. So the statistics of them, you see, it's changing, or it's almost in the same scale: 59, 54, 67, 69. Only Munaf Patel, for the 2 seasons I think he was a part of Rajasthan Royals, he took 37 wickets there. And Sandeep in Kings 11 Punjab, Piyush Chawla had played for some 2 or 4 seasons I think. Then after he moved to KKR, he must be in KKR as well. Piyush Chawla, yes, he is there. He has taken 66 wickets there as well. So in Delhi Daredevils we find Amit Mishra. Obviously he is the most dominant bowler there. And then Morne Mokal with 50, Umesh Yadav 49, Nadeem with 42. In SRH, Rashid Khan 57. Rashid Khan has just come from the last 2 to 3 seasons, 2019, 18, 19, 20, I think. And Bhuvaneshwar Kumar has 113 wickets. Great. After finding all the top 5 bowlers of them, let me now split the piece by piece statistics of it, like how many wickets, how many kind of wickets were taken in type of caught, how many did the bowler take of type caught and bowled, of bowled and LBW. So here we come, after so much line of scored, here we come here. Now we say that Dwayne Bravo has almost taken 80% of his wickets in caught, of type caught. He has taken 11%, 11% of his wickets of kind bowled. Coming to Ashwin, Ashwin has taken 68% of his wickets in kind of caught and bowled. That means he is a type of a spinner who allows the batsman to kind of play short. Then Jadeja has taken most of his wickets in kind of bowled. And J. Morkel, that is Albie Morkel has taken most of his wickets in kind of LBW. That means he is a medium pace bowler, and he has a very good length, which indicates that. And Mohit Sharma has taken 42%, 15% of his wickets as caught. Then comes the total contribution. The most contribution is given by Ashwin and Bravo. 26% of the whole CSK wickets has been under the consideration of Bravo. Bravo has taken most number of wickets. That means. Then coming to Mumbai, Slinga Malinga, 91 wickets, 11% of the wickets in bowled and doing all those kind of stuff. And Harbhajan Singh is 61% of cotton bowled. Bumrah is 54. So these kind of statistics give you a very good, this kind of pie charts give you very good visualization of which player has taken how many kind of wickets under which category. So yeah, and Pollard we can see that McLagan LBW 58%. And coming to RCB, most of the wickets are of type caught, and if you see Chahal has taken 11% of it, 11% of the wickets. Kumble has taken almost 24. So these are the kind of observations and which we can make from this, that we can say that Dwayne Bravo, Ashwin and Jadeja are the top performing bowlers of Chennai Super Kings, and these bowlers can a company can endorse them, a company can hire them for making their products endorsed on some social media or some general kind of marketing, such that the public can endorse its products and marketing can go high. Here are the fielder analysis. So for the top performing fielder of Chennai is Raina with 88 catches, and Dhoni with 80. Is a wicket keeper, so surely he has to have that much. So Pollard in Mumbai and Rohit Sharma in Mumbai was second place. Uthappa, then Tiwari. We have Virat Kohli in RCB and De Villiers in 35. De Villiers for sure he has to be there. Rahane and Samson, Miller and Saha, Karthik and Sehwag from Delhi Daredevils, from SRH Dhawan and Naman Ojha. Thank you so much.